We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words and some of the most mispronounced ones as well in English. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? In British English, this is normally said as wardrobe, wardrobe. You do want to stress on the first syllable, and yes, it is a wo syllable, wo, not a war, but a war syllable, wardrobe. In American English, however, it is normally said as wardrobe, wardrobe. In American English, with a proper R sound. In American English, wardrobe. In American English versus wardrobe. In British English, and now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.